Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Richwood Home Dos. This is situated in San Isidro, Dawis, Panglao Island, Bohol. So today, I'm going to show you the model unit of this Richwood Home Dos. This is a duplex unit. So this is the with furnace, with fully furnished unit, guys. This is only a example. At least you have the idea because our deliverable unit is only a fully finished. Meaning, fully finished, naka-tiles na siya with painted walls, with ceiling, and also with partition. So, this is only the model house. Okay? Let's go. Join my tour today. Hi guys, welcome to our model unit. This is the model house of duplex here at the Richwood Home Dos. This is situated in San Isidro, Dawis, Panglao, Island of Bohol. So this area, this model house is containing the lot area of 80 square meter. So you have a space, you have a vacant lot, and also the floor area is 50 square meter. So come on, let's go. I'll show you inside. So here, as you can see, this is the living area, and also here is the dining area, and also here is a kitchen area. You have the upper cabinet, lower cabinet, you have the fridge, and here you have the setup of a television. So this is only the model house, guys, but our deliverable unit is not included all the furnitures and also the appliances. But our deliverable unit is fully finished, meaning it's already tiled with partition, with ceiling, with painted walls. So only the lacking is the furniture and also the appliances. And also here is the toilet and bath. As you can see, our deliverable unit is including the shower, the toilet bowl with lavatory. So this is the toilet and bath, guys. And also here is another area for your another storage. So you can make here a partition. So now I'm going to show you also the laundry area. Here, this is the laundry area or the septic tank. So this is your laundry area, guys. So again, this is perfect. This is perfect for the starting couple. Alright. Now, I'm going to show you also the upstairs, the second floor. This is a two-story duplex units. So again, I told you earlier that our deliverable unit is already tiled. So here, this is the area of kids room or guest room. So as you can see, this is the setup of our model house. You have a double deck bed. So this is good for guest room or kids room. So another area here, you have also the working space or office space, and also here is another closet. Again, this is it's like a small living area in your master bedroom, and this is your queen size bed. So nice, perfect. This is good for starting couple, good for investment, good for rental business. So if you are still rental, so why you still rental? That you have a choice that you can spend your money here, because you know our office is we have a flexible payment. You can choose the bank financing and also Pag-ibig financing or in-house financing. So if you need more questions, I am happy to assist you guys. So see you in my inbox. Full details about the full details of this house you can find below at the description section. All right, see you next video. Guys, I told you earlier
that our lot area of this duplex unit is 80 square meter, because the floor area is only the 50 square meter, but you have the vacant space for your expansion. You can use this one as your garage, or you can use this one as your storage, or you can expand more another rooms. So this is the space of extra. The floor area is 50 square meter, and this one is 30 square meter. The total lot area of 80 square meter. So you have the space, guys. You can accommodate your 2, 3 cars, or you can use this one as your storage, carport, or you can build another rooms. So you have the big lot area. So this is a good good location. Location wise, it's very near to the White Sand Beach. It's like 5 to 8 minutes to the White Sand Beaches, and also to the banks, and also to the church, to the school. That is like 10 to 15 minutes drive. Going to airport, that is only a 10 minutes drive. Going to Tagbilaran City, that is only 15 minutes drive. So this is a good location. So if you're interested, see you in my inbox. Thank you.